speaking of soul, we got to.
Yeah.
Speaking of soul, Bob, did you hear about the cucumber who sold his soul to be pickled? Yeah, he made a deal with the devil.
I actually like that one.
It could happen.
Oh, wait a minute. I love all your jokes.
Okay, that's right. So I know a guy working at a Kia dealership, and he told me that redheads keep coming in to try to buy a soul.
Kia soul. There you go.
Well, whatever, So, have you ever considered this, Sean? This one's for you, buddy. How much does Satan's soul weigh? How much does Satan's soul weigh?
I'm so bad at this, Robbie. Robbie's going to fire me.
Bob's looking at me. Well, this is
I don't
great.
know.
I'm pretty vacant.
Do you know, Heather?
Oh, gosh.
Yeah? It weighs a pentagram. Well, just a little humor anyway. So
Very little.
So anyway, at the end of that, I would actually have a Bible riddle for you. So I'm done with the puns and on with, I'm not quite done. I'm never completely done, but nonetheless. So here comes the riddle. God made man from the dust. You may know that. So what did he do to give him a soul? He made him from the dust, but what did he do, is it explained there in Genesis, to give him a soul?